Hi, I'm Eric Meyer, Product Manager for Electrical Supplies. I'm here today to talk to you about Surface Raceway. We have various sizes of Hubbell Raceway in stock. We currently have the 500, 700, and 750 series, which is your smaller stuff. We also have the larger sizes, the 2000, the 2400, 3000, and 4750 series in stock. We stock all the fittings that go along with that as well. Some of the things that they bring to the table, they've got non-metallic and metallic Surface Raceway. We've made a big partnership with them by bringing in a lot of inventory. So we recently brought in about $15,000 worth of additional Surface Raceway inventory for them. But one of the things I wanted to show you is one of the features that they have on their metal boxes. So if you've ever worked with a wire mold box and you tried to put the cover on this, you have to fumble through and try to fit the screw in properly. What Hubbell has done is they've actually put these posts in their thing so that when your cover comes down, it sits tight on this and it allows you to screw it in very easily, so you don't have to try to wiggle the screw around and get it in. So makes installation a lot easier. They do have the plug mold series too, where you can get this with random plugs throughout the metal raceway. They do have that with plastic raceway as well. So please consider us on your next job that you need to use Surface Raceway. If you'd like to learn more about this product, please feel free to give me a call or contact your local Werner Electric